This video was created by Remixable Video Creator. Get your beta access invite link to this tool in the description. So if you want to create HD video content like the one that you're watching in minutes, not months, open the description link below this video. Okay, now Chris here with a review and bonus package for Sqribble. But let me start with a question. Did you know that the average American adult spends over 20 minutes reading per day, whether it's ebooks, newspapers or books? Now for comparison, the average time spent on social media is around 2 hours per day. And that makes sense because for us internet marketers, social media is surely a bigger opportunity to get traffic leads and buyers right. Well, actually not. And here are 3 surprising reasons that ebooks and PDFs are actually a better source of traffic. Reason number 1. Social media is something that younger people do, and reading is something that older people do. In fact, people aged 45 and above actually spend more time reading than they do on social media. And that's extremely relevant to us marketers because older people have more money. In fact, the average person aged 65 has 4 times the disposable income of a 25-year-old. That makes older people much more likely to buy products from us, whether it's via our affiliate links or our own digital and physical products. Secondly, I know that you're watching this Sqribble review because you're an internet marketer. And internet marketing is, after all, about traffic. Now, there are many places to get traffic, from paid ads to list building, from content writing to videos. But one place everyone has at some point tried to get traffic from is social media, Facebook, Instagram, etc. And that's true whether it's free organic traffic from the newsfeed or from paid Facebook ads. And herein lies the problem. Every marketer is using social media as the same go-to traffic source, meaning sky-high competition, reduced reach and expensive ads. Now that's great if you own stock and shares in Facebook, but it's not so great for the average person who wants to get traffic. That's because there's just too much competition with everyone chasing after and battling for the same few social customers at few time and eyeballs. Meanwhile, the people with money are spending billions of hours reading online content away from all the social media mayhem, and there's much less competition. In fact, it's a blue ocean with almost no competition for miles, even in the very best niches like health and fitness. So, written content means richer customers and lower competition, but there's a third benefit too, and one that brings us to the ebook as a traffic source. Long copy content, like ebooks, allows you to pre-sell your customers for a longer period of time. Think about it, have you ever bought something off the back of a single 140 character tweet? Probably not. But how many people have bought something after reading a 10,000 word article or an ebook or a recommendation in a physical book? Almost everyone watching this video. And that's the third benefit to ebooks as a traffic source. This type of long copy content gives you time to educate your prospect on a topic, draw them into your world, and then make a sale once they trust and know you. You can see I'm applying this same point here. How many minutes have I been talking, and yet how many times have I mentioned Sqribble itself? Only twice is the answer, but that's because I want you to listen to what I'm saying and understand the subject so you can make an informed decision. It's naive of me to think that you're just going to click through and buy Sqribble after 10 seconds of hard selling. And guess what? Even if you don't buy Sqribble, you now know me and know I put out quality content. And by the way, if you want to create quality videos like this one, then hit the link in the description for beta access to my new video creation tool, which is inside of my remixable software. After selling millions of dollars of software on sites like ClickBank, Warrior Plus and JBZoo, I'm investing all of my time on one software tool, Remixable. This software lets you sell your own digital product, build websites, get traffic, and resell dozens of my own proven software tools. And here's the important bit. Right now, I'm in the process of adding a video creation tool to Remixable, and you can get early access to this module so you can create videos like this and get traffic and buys with video like me. All you need to do is hit the link in the description right now for a beta access link and a $1 trial. Okay, back to Sqribble. So we now know that ebooks and PDFs are a huge opportunity to get traffic and buyers. And here's the good news. Ebooks, PDFs, reports, and long copy content result in more buyers, less competition, and warmer traffic. But here's the bad news. Content creation is hard. After all, who has the time to write 3,000 word PDF reports or 10,000 word ebooks? And besides, what do you even write about? Well, that's where Sqribble comes in. Sqribble lets you create amazing ebooks and reports in less than 5 minutes with no writing needed whatsoever. The software creates formatted ebooks with unlimited pages that you can use for your own content marketing efforts, and you can even resell these ebooks to your own clients or on sites like Fiverr and Upwork. Best of all, there's no writing required with Sqribble whatsoever. You simply enter a website URL, whether it's yours or someone else's, and Sqribble will create an ebook, beautifully formatted and with done-for-you content preloaded. Now below this content in the description link, you'll see a link to Sqribble, and on that page you'll see an 8-minute demo of how Sqribble works from start to finish. But before you go ahead and buy Sqribble, let me tell you about my Sqribble bonuses. Because when you buy Sqribble through the link below, I'll give you an instant access link to 4 bonuses. 4 bonuses to turn Sqribble into more than just an ebook creation tool. In fact, my 4 bonuses will turn Sqribble into a self-contained system for getting traffic and then turning that traffic into sales and commissions. So scroll down and hit the link below in the description for instant access to all of the following bonuses. Sqribble bonus number 1. Keyword Titan. Now Sqribble creates ebooks and reports that rank for buyer keywords, but what keywords and niches should you even write about? The answer lies inside the keyword research tool I built, Keyword Titan. Titan lets you enter a seed keyword or niche idea and then view cost per click, search volume, competitiveness, and much more. So you know which keywords to rank for on Google and what profitable topics to focus your new Sqribble content on. Sqribble bonus number 2, my millionaire niches. As a full-time marketer on sites like ClickBank for over 10 years, I know what niches work and which niches are worth creating your Sqribble PDF ebooks about. And in this report, I'll give you my top 4 niches to make money with for 2022 and beyond, including new trending niches and secret niches where top marketers make money, but almost no one knows about them, so the competition is super low. Perfect for plugging into your new Sqribble business. Sqribble bonus number 3, my instant software store. I've sold over 3,000 copies of this website and store building software for upwards of $20, but you'll get it for free like all the bonuses here when you buy Sqribble through the link in the description. The Instant Software Store lets you launch your own software selling some of the top selling JVZoo products of all time. It only takes a few minutes to set up the store, paying you 100% per sale, and is fully hosted by us. This is great because you may not have a proven product of your own or a proven website to send the traffic you're about to get with Sqribble to. If that's you, then you'll love my instant software store. And by the way, if you do want to sell your own digital products, then definitely hit the link in the description to check out Remixable too, as it's the only way to white label and resell over 40 of my software tools, so you can automatically launch your own digital product business like me. And while we're talking about resale rights, that brings me to Sqribble bonus number 4, instant auto site software with 100% resale rights. The Auto Sites Builder is one of my best-selling software tools as it lets you create instant website landing pages preloaded with content and affiliate links in under a minute. Simply choose a keyword or niche, enter your ClickBank ID, then click go to create your instant page. And the software also includes agency rights and resale rights. This bonus gives you another type of website to send your Sqribble traffic to alongside the instant software store that you'll also get. Now each of these bonuses is worth the asking price of Sqribble alone, and you'll get all 4 of them when you buy Sqribble through my link below in the description. So there you have it. Ebooks and PDFs are a great way to build trust, get traffic, and convert visitors into sales. And Sqribble automates this process, creating incredible, beautifully formatted ebooks and PDFs in minutes. And remember, you get my exclusive Sqribble bonus package when you buy Sqribble through my link. Simply hit the link below in the description to get my Keyword Titan software, my list of millionaire niches, my instant software store, and my instant auto site software with resale rights. All of this is exclusive to me and only available in the link below this video. And lastly, if you want to sell your own software product or think that this video looks good, then be sure to hit the link in the description below to get Remixable. Remixable lets you build websites, get traffic, create e-covers and logos, and resell and white label over 40 of my top-selling software tools. It's the all-in-one solution to launch your own software business in minutes. And there's one more thing. We're also now adding a new feature to Remixable which lets you create instant videos just like this one that you can use for content, VSLs, and much more. In fact, this video took me less than an hour to prepare and create, despite having hundreds of slides, transitions, backing tracks, royalty-free HD media, and much more. Now this video would have cost me hundreds or even thousands of dollars and taken me over a week to put together before I built this software, but now I'm letting a few of my YouTube viewers get early access to this tool. I don't talk about this secret feature on every video, but you've stumbled onto one where I do, with the early access link in the description below. Imagine selling your own software, building your own websites, and now also creating instant professional videos, and all for just $1 down in the next few minutes. After all, you know that Sqribble lets you get traffic and make sales with ebooks and PDFs, but why not join Remixable too to make sales with your own white labeled software products, while also getting buyer traffic and sales with HD videos using the new Remixable Video Creator, just like I'm doing here. You don't even need to use your own voice or write your own copy, as we're including a voiceover tool and script templates too. And it's still all for just a $1 trial if you use the invite code below. Links for all of these are in the description. Okay, I think that covers it for my Sqribble review and bonus package. Chris out now. Thanks for watching, and scroll down and be sure to open up all those description links to see everything we talked about here. Simply scroll down, right click and open all the links, then browse through them all at your leisure. Okay, thanks and bye for now.